Hey there, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can make your profile private in Steam. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Steam, go to right top corner, now go to view my profile, edit profile, and now you're gonna see privacy settings, and you're gonna see my profile. And all you have to do is just click here on my profile and choose private. And this is probably it. So this is how we do it, and this is how we can change your profile to private. So when I go again, I'm in store. I will click on my TaoMan profile, or just right click on view my profile, then edit profile, privacy settings, and choose the my profile to private. Or you can just choose the game details or only friend list or inventory to private, and you don't need to do it with your profile. Thank you everybody very much. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. Have a great day and goodbye.